steak bites. Ingredients: sirloin steak, soy sauce, honey, garlic, olive oil or vegetable oil. Directions: place steak pieces in a gallon-size resealable bag. In a mixing bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey and garlic. Pour mixture over steak, seal bag while pressing out excess air, then rub marinade over steak. Transfer to refrigerator and let marinate 1 to 2 hours. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a heavy non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Remove half the steak from marinade, transfer to skillet and let sear until golden brown, about 1 minute, then rotate to opposite side. Let continue to cook to desired doneness, about 1 minute longer. Internal safe temperature is 145 degrees. Transfer to a plate and repeat with remaining steak.